Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Let us move on to the second lesson, The Leaf Too Has to Say. Now, take lesson 2, The Leaf Too Has to Say in your textbook and let us read. Suma teacher and her students are preparing to transplant the vegetable seedlings they had sown. Transplant means to plant in another place. Children, water the pits well and uproot the saplings carefully without breaking their roots, said the teacher to the children. Children, a sapling is a young plant and a seedling is a young plant especially grown from a seed rather than from grafting or cutting. The children examined the saplings to check whether the roots were damaged. Teacher, the roots of the vegetable saplings and the matanya growing between them are not similar, are they? Bibish asked. The teacher asked the children to plant the young plants in another place without damaging their roots. What are the differences Bibish would have noticed? He would have noticed straight and thick root in the vegetable sapling and several branches of roots in matanya. Children, you too go for an eco walk and collect different types of plants and observe their roots carefully. Children, we know that the basic parts of the plants are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Let us now focus on the part root. What are the functions of a root? Root keep plants fixed in the soil. Roots help in absorbing water and minerals required for plants from the soil. Roots help for rainwater to seep into the soil and also to prevent the washing away of soil. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Do you remember what Bibish noticed? The thick and straight root of a vegetable sapling is a taproot. The several branches of roots of a matanya denotes a fibrous root. Let us list down some of the differences of taproot and fibrous root. Taproot has only one main and long root. The smaller roots that grow from the main root are called lateral roots. Fibrous roots do not have a main root. All roots seem similar. Taproot goes deep into the soil. They do not go deep into the soil. Taproots are found in plants which have reticulate venation in their leaves. These are found in plants which have parallel venation in their leaves. Some of the examples for taproot system are tulsi, brinjal, neem, mango, etc. Some of the examples for fibrous root system are grass, rice, wheat, bamboo, palm tree, etc. Let us summarize. Roots keep plants fixed in the soil. Roots help in absorbing water and minerals required for plants from the soil. There are two types of root system: taproot system and fibrous root system. The taproot system consists of the larger taproot and the smaller branches growing from it. The fibrous root system includes a cluster of similar roots growing from the base of the stem. That's all for today. Thank you.